So if for some reason your fingerprint sensor on your OnePlus Nord CE6 is not working or is not responding, there are a couple of things that you can try to fix that problem and get your fingerprint working normal again. So if you, after a couple of tries, you will be asked to enter any other method to unlock your phone. So the first thing that you can try and do is to remove that old fingerprint data by going into settings. And then under settings, you want to scroll down and select security and privacy. And then here you want to scroll down and select device unlock, and then choose face and fingerprint unlock. And then you want to select fingerprint. Now you need to verify that it's you trying to do this by entering your lock screen pattern. And then if you can actually try and check if you're using the right finger, or you can tap on the three dots in the next to the fingerprint that you've added and then select delete. And then once you select delete, you can re-add that fingerprint once again and try and use that fingerprint to connect that. Now before you can do that, also try and ensure that, because of the numerous touches on your phone, try and ensure that you've actually cleaned your screen using a soft cloth or lint free, or cloth that is not rough, so that it can remove all the dirt and dust from your lock screen. Now another thing that you can try and do before you add another fingerprint is to actually check the screen protector that you've actually added. If it's not from OnePlus or if it's not from a trusted source, try and remove that and see if the fingerprint sensor is going to work well, and that is going to help you determine the issue. So if you do all that and it still doesn't work, remove the fingerprint and then re-add another fingerprint, and then that should solve your problem for you. Better yet, you can try and also go into software and update under settings, and then ensure you're running the latest software on your phone or software version. Or you can also try and restart your phone and then try that process once again to enter your fingerprint, and your fingerprint should now work. That's basically how to fix the fingerprint scanner not working on your, or the fingerprint sensor not working on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Let me know if any of these solutions worked for you. If they did, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.